All we have to sell is our time. So to maximize the effectiveness of your day and to profit from it as much as you possibly can, jealously guard your time from time wasters and non-dollar productive activities. Tom Hopkins, the master US sales trainer, came up with this powerful question to ask ourselves every hour of the day. And this is the question: will what I am doing right now lead to a sale or a listing? If not, drop the task immediately, write this question on a 3x5 card and place it in front of you on your desk where it will remind you throughout the day. Form this valuable habit and watch your income soar. If you'd like to access many other great ideas that will help you in your real estate career, business or life, then go to the link appearing on your screen right now, www.realestatetrainingguru.com. I'm Rod Cartledge. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to seeing you in one of my future videos.